So the ingredients are milk. I usually prefer to drink whole milk. You can choose whatever milk you like. Roughly 1 teaspoon of caramel sauce. Roughly 40 grams of dark chocolate. It really depends on your own taste. If you like it sweeter, just add more chocolate. A small pinch of vanilla sugar, just for that vanilla touch. If you don't like vanilla, just leave it out. And for the decorations, you can choose whatever you like. But since I made brownies last weekend, I have some condiments left. Here I have some little chocolatey balls that are crackly on the inside and some mini marshmallows. And to finish everything off, of course, some whipped cream. Let's do this. So I've heated up my milk in a microwave. As you can see, it's quite hot. Now let's start adding everything. The caramel sauce, the chocolate. Try not to splash everywhere. Clean up crew. And a pinch or more of vanilla sugar. Now let's give everything a really good mix until your chocolate has dissolved. And there you go, most of my chocolate has dissolved. You can see some bits and pieces there, but if you keep stirring, they'll eventually go away. But I just want to drink that hot chocolate right now. So I'm just going to decorate it all. First, the whipped cream. Then some chocolate sprinkles. A little bit of marshmallows here and there. And the finishing touch, some caramel sauce over it. And there you go. You have yourself some nice caramel hot chocolate.